This procedure is always a little embarrassing. It's like getting ready for game day. Grandpa, with all his accoutrements, you watch these young guys that work around here as pro landscapers. They've got the protective gear off the head, so it makes it lighter. They out there with t-shirts on, and I get layered up. But there's methods to my madness. So what's it been? I think might have weed whacked once since Christmas, since the holidays. Maybe once. The thing about weed whacking, there's so many pathways here and so much stonework that it doesn't need a lot of weed whacking. During the winter, Central Florida is typically in drought. And we're just now starting to get some rain with any regularity, which means that for months and months, we really don't have to weed whack too often or worry about the growth. If anything, it's more about trying to keep it encouraged and healthy and watered. Now, with the rainy season upon us, today is the first day of hurricane season. So it's time to go ahead and weed whack my way around the yard, get rid of anything that's extraneous. But another important point here is that so many of these paths serve several purposes. They're decorative, they formalize a space for a garden bed, they give us egress in and about the yard, they create layers in the yard and mazes, places to go. But an important factor is drainage. So drainage, particularly with the hurricane season upon us, becomes a serious factor. And when the pathways have a lot of weeds in them, of course, it obstructs how much flow we can get. So I'm going to fire up the machine today. It's the first time it's been started in almost 6 months, I think, 5 months anyway. And I'm going to get myself all in my game day uniform, Gramps protective gear of all sorts, because when I do these paths, stones do fly. All right, protective gear, here we go. Okay, that's enough for now. Take a break. Now that we've got this area weed whacked, the next thing to do is to blow it and see how it cleans up. See what we've got left. Here we go.